This video is all about how to make the laziest and the simplest zipper pockets. This is the style of zipper pocket that you are going to be making. It's one of the easiest and laziest ways of attaching a zippered pocket to a bag. Let me show you how it's done. Okay guys, this is going to be my lazy zipper pocket. It is going to go on the inside of my lining of my tote bag, and this one is going to be an extremely lazy version of putting in a zipper pocket. So you're going to get your two pocket pieces like so. They're going to be exactly the same length, as you can see, and it doesn't matter what size. So all you want to make sure is that your zipper is going to be longer than your actual piece. So here we go, this is my zipper. It's longer than the two side bits, like so. So this is the width and this is the length. Grab one of your pocket sections and you're going to cut 2 inches from the top of the piece of fabric that you're going to use for your pocket. So you're going to have something that looks similar to this. And in between here is where your zip is going to go. So let's go over to the sewing machine. So whenever I attach a zipper, I always like to use my piping foot. I'll zoom in so you can see what it looks like. So this is the piping foot, and at the back is a little screw so you can move it between the left hand side and the right hand side of that needle. Like so. So this is what your pieces are going to look like so far. You have this little piece here. You've got the zipper in the middle and a little piece here. So you're going to grab this section and you're going to put it right sides down like so. So your zipper pull, you see here, is going to be facing you, and the pretty side of the fabric is going to be facing down. So let's sew this up. So we're going to sew this pocket section in place. Use a 90-14 needle, it should be sufficient enough. I always generally go with a microtech needle. So we pulled that off the sewing machine. I'm just going to open it up like so. And we have our first section attached. So I'm going to attach the next section before I top stitch. So we're just going to grab our next piece and we're going to fold it right sides down. And now we're going to make sure we line it up with our other piece. You want them to be lined up. Now let's take this over to the sewing machine and stitch this in place. Now it's going to look somewhat like this. You're going to take it over to your iron and you're going to press this down. I've loaded it back in the machine because I'm just going to top stitch along just to keep it nice and secure. You should now have half of a zippered pocket anyway, complete. So you should be able to open your zipper up like so. Let's complete the other section. So you have 2 sections that look like this. You've got one with your zipper and one without your zipper. You're now going to put them right sides together. Like so. Now I want you to fold this section back and open your zipper up. And then fold this back over. And then just pin or clip everybody into place. What I'm going to do is cut some of this zipper off because I don't need it, like so. And I'm going to use one of my clips and just secure that loose end together like so. And I'm just going to go around and clip everybody, and I'm also going to chop off this end. It just makes things slightly more easier. Now that you have your pins and clips in place, you are going to sew maybe like 1/4 of an inch or 1/2 an inch all the way around this pocket. When I make these zippered pockets, I just like to use this outside edge of my foot, and I'm just going to sew all the way around. I like to go over this zipper part a few times just so I know it's securely in place. And then just continue on around. Okay, we are nearly done. I'm just going to cut off a little bit of this excess bulk here. So I'm just going to go all the way around and just tidy some of this up. Okay, this is now tidied up, so I'm going to flip it all right sides out. I'm going to take it over to my iron and I'm going to press it. You're going to take your lining section of your bag and you're going to get your zippy pocket and place it right sides facing up. And then what we're going to do is stitch this down in place. And remember, this is a lazy, quick and simple way of doing a zipper pocket. And just remember just to open this up. I have some pins in place to keep the pocket all nice and secure, and also just make sure you've got it a bit of a way away from the top of the line of your bag, because you still have to complete your bag, so you don't want it to be all the way at the top, otherwise it's going to interfere with your pocket. So go all the way around, attaching the pocket into place. This is one of the easiest and laziest ways that you are going to be able to attach a pocket to a bag. Now you can continue making your bag. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and hit that subscribe button so you don't forget to see me next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.